Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about there is a basic introduction of the solid. Okay, so first of all, what are the things we have to study? Okay, so whenever you consider solid, okay, first you have to know the basic identification of solids. Okay, so then only we can proceed the projection of solids. So we have see the more number of problems related to this types of solids. Okay, so the primary thing is solid. Okay, so we are classified into two types. One is called as polyhedron and polyrevolutions. Okay. So what are the meaning of polyhedron and what are the meaning of polyrevolutions? Okay. So the both the cases we have to describe in this case. Okay. But only expressional pentagon and hexagon will be completed, and after that octagon hexagon is not, we have to proceed it. Okay. So basic category of solid can be is like a polyhedron and the solids of revolutions. Okay, these are the two primary divisions. Okay, that primary division, that is a polyhedron, is can be classified into prism, pyramid, and regular polygons. Okay, so prism is look like a what to say? Yes, it's like a rectangle. Okay, so whenever you can study the front and top view, we are already discussing. So what is the meaning of front view and what is meaning of top view? We have to clearly see that the projection of plane. Okay, so if you know the front and top view, so you have to consider the prism is very easy. So my idea, you have to assume the prism is look like always is like a prism category. Okay. So prism means is called as a rectangle. Okay. If a rectangle means is called as a prism. So you have to name just the prism is a rectangle. That is, it's always looking like a rectangle shape only. So then the next category is called as a pyramid. Okay. So the pyramid is coming under is a triangular shape. Okay. So why? Because it having all the corners get joining at one point. Okay. So that is called as a pyramid type. So it is a when you look like is a triangular shape only. So what about third case is this is a regular polyhedron. Okay. So the regular polyhedron is called it as what you have to take is tetrahedron and hexahedron and octahedron. Okay. So these types of polygon we not to consider. Okay. Hexahedron is like a cube, but cube is okay. But the tetrahedron and octahedron is may not proceed. Only we have to complete up to the pentagon and the hexagon types only category. Okay. Then the solid revolutions of this is the polyhedron. The polyhedron we have to mainly focusing on prism category and pyramid category. Okay. So that only two types of problem methods classification only we have to construct. Okay. What is the next case? Solid revolutions. The solid revolution we have to classify into is like a cylinder, core, and sphere. These are the coming under solid revolution. Okay. The solid revolution is like a cylinder, cone, prism. Okay. So this is a sphere. Okay. The cylinder cone, again we compare with prism and pyramid. Okay. So if your cylinder is coming under prism category, is a cone is a coming under pyramid category. So this is for your understanding purpose only. So, but generally the solid can be classified into polyhedron and solid revolutions. Okay, the polyhedrons can be classified into what? Prism and pyramid. And solid revolution can be classified into what? Cylindrical and cone and sphere. So here also sphere we not consider. Okay, so only prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone. This type of problem we have to discuss in this class. Okay, and the hexagon is it okay? But we consider the hexagon also. But remaining rest of them, the rest tetrahedron and octahedron is not we discussing. Okay, so the cylinder and cone. Okay, so what is the basic difference between cylinder and cone means? So if you're taking the cylinder types of category, I show here no. So these are the categories coming under cylinder types, that is a prism types, and here they are taking for the pyramid type. So you can assume the cylinder is coming under prism, is a cone coming under the pyramid. So these are the main classifications. You know the understanding the basic concepts. Okay. So whenever you construct the prism, okay, so this is a triangular shape, this is a square shape, this is the pentagonal, this is the hexagonal, this is the circle. Okay, so what you have to do means is a triangle plus prism, so that the name is called as triangular prism. The square plus prism we call it as a square prism, and the pentagon plus prism we call it as a pentagonal prism. The hexagon plus prism we call it as a hexagonal prism. The similar kind is a coming for the pyramid. Okay, is a triangle is called as a triangle plus pyramid is a triangular pyramid, and a square plus pyramid is called as a square pyramid, and a pentagonal plus pyramid is called as a pentagonal pyramid. Hexagon plus pyramid is called as a hexagonal pyramid. So similar, the cone is coming under the pyramid category, cylinder coming under the prism category. Okay. So these are things you all know that. So what are the basic steps you have to understand means if you have a prism, okay, if you look at no prism, no, you take any solid, okay, it's like a triangle to or the hexagon. The top side, what you have to shape observe, that shape will be there in the top side also. Okay. What is the shape? If for example, if you take a triangular prism, okay, if a triangle will be there in the bottom side, the same triangle is there in the top side. The square also there in bottom side and square also there in top side. Similarly, pentagon and hexagon, hexagon. So here the pyramid category is not there like this. Okay. So the only one shape will be there. The all the side, the opposite side should be shaped. For example, it always should be is like a corners. All the corners getting joined here to one point. Okay. It's like is like a dot point. So if I take a triangle, is all the corner get joined at one point. If I take a square, is all the point get joined at one point. It's similar pentagon and hexagon also. But the shape, the bottom side of the shape will not repeat again the top side. Okay. But the cone also, similar cone also, the cone like a circle, the circle will be joining at one point. Okay. The cylinder, what happens cylinder? The cylinder of the circle is a circle will be there in the top side also. Okay. So these are these different types or understanding purpose when solving the projection of solid. Not only projection of solid, you take a dissection of solid or development of solid. So what you understand the prism and pyramid. These are the very important for those types of category. And hexahedron and tetrahedron is not there in syllabus, but cube may be asking in your section of solid. Okay. So cube means what all the sides are equal. Okay. Is not an important problem, but you know that how to construct the cubing is like a similar case. Thank you.